Hello everyone. Today we are solving a geometry question involving the volume of a triangular prism. Now let me first read the question carefully. A triangular prism has a height of 8 centimeters and a volume of 216 cubic centimeters. Okay. What is the area in square centimeters of the base of the prism? The volume of a triangular prism is equal to BH, where B is the area of the base and H is the height of the prism. Now let us understand what the question is asking. We are given height of the prism 8 centimeters, volume of the prism, that is 216 cubic centimeter, and formula for volume is BH. Okay, and we need to find the area of the base, which is B. Now recall the formula. The formula for the volume of a prism is volume is equal to base area into height, or in short term V is equal to BH, where V represents the volume, B represents the base area and H represents the height. Okay, now we are told volume is 216 cubic centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. So we substitute into the formula. So 216 is equal to B into 8, or B is equal to (216) by 8. Okay, now it gives us 27. Okay, so B is equal to 27 here. Now the question asks for the area in the square centimeters. Since we divide the cubic centimeters by centimeters, the unit becomes square centimeters. So the area of the base is 27 square centimeter. Okay, so the area of the base of the prism is 27 square centimeters. Now let us understand what happened conceptually. Okay, this is very important to understand. Now the volume of a prism depends on the area of its base and how tall it is. If you imagine stacking identical triangular layers of area 27 and stacking them 8 centimeters high, you get a total volume of 216 cubic centimeters, because 27 multiplied by 8 equals to 216. So this answer makes perfect sense. So whenever you see volume is equal to BH and you are asked to find B, always write the formula and substitute the known values, then divide to isolate the unknown, and then check the units very carefully. Very often on examination, students forget to divide and instead multiply. So always check what operation is needed in that particular question. Okay, so this is the full solution of this question. I hope this is clear to you. That question was very simple. Okay, you don't need to calculate very much in this question. That was logical question. So see you in the next session with a new question. Till then, take care and bye-bye.